Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some fascinating AI predictions from Dr. Roman Yampolskiy. Imagine that we are waking up one morning and realizing that most human jobs are gone, replaced by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction? Well, some scientists believe this future is closer than we think. Let's dive into Dr. Roman Yampolskiy's shocking predictions about the rise of AI and what it could mean for all of us. By the year 2027, Dr. Yampolskiy predicts we may have something called artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike today's AI that works in narrow areas, like chatbots, translation, or image recognition, AGI can think across many fields. It could solve math problems, design buildings, write books, even diagnose diseases, all better than us. This could lead to massive unemployment. In fact, he warns that up to 99% of jobs might disappear. Now imagine this, it's 2030. Robots are no longer clumsy machines. Instead, they are strong, smart, and capable of doing physical work, plumbing, cleaning, even construction. Combine AGI with humanoid robots, and suddenly very few jobs are left for humans at all. Looking further ahead, around 2045, we hit what's called the singularity. This is the moment when AI improves itself so quickly, humans can no longer understand it. Technology would advance faster than we can even imagine, completely beyond our control. And by the year 2100, Dr. Yampolskiy gives us two extreme possibilities. 1. Humanity no longer exists. 2. Or the world is so radically different, we wouldn't even recognize it today. So here's the big question, can we actually control such powerful AI? Dr. Yampolskiy says it's almost impossible. AI is like a black box, even its creators don't fully understand how it works. Current safety measures are just like patches, temporary fixes. But a superintelligence will always find a way around them. Now, some people might disagree with Dr. Yampolskiy. Let's look at the most common arguments, and why he thinks they don't hold up. First, some say, if AI becomes dangerous, we'll just turn it off. But Dr. Yampolskiy calls this idea silly. Imagine trying to switch off the entire internet or delete every Bitcoin in the world. It's not that simple. A superintelligent AI would be decentralized, smarter than us, and able to predict any shutdown attempt before we even try it. Some people say, don't worry. Developers are smart. They'll keep AI in safe. But here's the twist. Companies often care more about profit than ethics. And even the smartest developers admit, they don't fully know how to make AI truly safe. Another common argument, the Industrial Revolution didn't destroy jobs. So AI won't either. Sounds fair, right? But wait, the Industrial Revolution gave us tools. Tools still needed humans. AI is different. It's not just a tool. It's an inventor, one that can outcreate us. Here's something wild. Dr. Yampolskiy has some surprising beliefs. He thinks we might already be living in a computer simulation. He also believes aging could be cured, and humans might live forever. And guess what? He says Bitcoin will stay valuable. Because it's one of the few things AI can't just duplicate. So what should we do? His advice is simple. Focus on what you can control. Live a meaningful life. Don't waste time on things you hate. And support groups raising awareness about AI safety. Now let me ask you, do you think AI will save humanity or replace us? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.